Hello and welcome. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download videos from YouTube and save them to watch later. So the first thing you need to do is to go to YouTube and then identify the video that you wish to download. Now, for instance, I want to download this video to watch later. All I need to do is to tap on it. And once it begins playing, I just pause it. Now to download, scroll down here just after the name of the channel, and then you will see the download button, which is here, and tap on it, and automatically it will begin to download. In some cases, it will ask you to select the quality you wish to download. Select the highest quality that is available. Now wait for it to download, and once it has finished downloading, you'll see a mark. You can see the download mark. Now that means that our video has already been downloaded and is ready for watch. To watch your video that you have just downloaded, you need first to turn your data off, because if you go try to watch it with the data on, you will not watch the downloaded form, or rather you will watch it online. So put your data off and then go to YouTube. So when you go to YouTube, you can see you'll get a notification you are offline. Watch the downloaded videos or find new videos to download in your library. So tap on go to downloads, and here you'll see a list of all the videos that you have downloaded with the latest one appearing on top. So to watch it, just tap on it and it will play while you are offline. So that's how you download a video and watch it later or watch it offline from YouTube. If this video was helpful to you, kindly consider hitting the like button and subscribing to this channel. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.